Here is a short video on how to replace the electrodes of the Aqua tools P700 Pro 2 pH SE meter. You can easily replace the electrodes yourself when they are worn or broken. Remove the new EC electrode from the packaging. Disconnect the plug from the old EC electrode and connect the new EC electrode. The replacement of the EC electrode is now ready. The EC must now be recalibrated. Then the EC electrode is ready to use. Remove the new pH electrode from the packaging. Disconnect the plug from the old pH electrode and connect the new pH electrode. The replacement of the pH electrode is now ready. The pH must now be recalibrated. Then the pH electrode is ready to use.